For the first build,
Those stabilizers, the space
fine,
bar sound
but
breaks
terrible.
I know, my stock tofu sounds doo-doo. Yeah, that kind of rhymes. But anyways, everything I need to mod it is finally here. It's finally arrived. The time to mod the tofu is now. So let's stop the yapping actually, and let's do the modding. Of course, we first have to disassemble the keyboard. Now, to address your comments from the previous video, people were asking why I didn't mod my keyboard. Well, the main reason why was that so I would really notice the difference between a stock and a modded keyboard. That's pretty much it. Anyways, here I am cleaning up the board, removing the cherry screw-ins the keyboard came with, because I will be replacing them with my brand new Durock V3 screw-in stabs. Also, here's the Bandaid I'll be using to Holee mod the stab and to do the Bandaid mod on the board. Here I am actually doing the Holee mod for the first time. I can say I did a pretty decent job. And this is my first time after all. Next up was lubing the stabilizers with Krytox 205G0 on the inside, also on the stems. I then lubed up the wires with a thicker lube with Permatex 22058. Here I am doing the Bandaid mod to the board. Apparently this is to reduce the tapping sound the stabs make when bottoming out. Of course, after doing these mods, I had to check the stabs to make sure they sounded good and they were up to my specs. Sound test will be up at the end of the video. So upon checking, they were. So on we go to the next mod, which is the PE foam mod. This should make the keyboard sound poppier, as I'm not really looking for a thockier sound. This is the route I'm going for. Some people say it makes it thocky, some say it makes it poppy, but based on my experience, it made mine poppier, which I don't really mind. I guess it's really up to you to find out on how your keyboard will sound with the PE foam mod. Some even say this is the secret sauce of the Jelly Epoch sound. I'm down for anything. Now the final mod I'm doing here is the O-ring mount mod, essentially converting the tray-mounted tofu into a gasket-mounted tofu. I placed one O-ring on the screw, pushed it through the keeb, and placed the other O-ring on the other end to make mounting easier. And the cherry on top, my new GMK Dracula keycaps. This is my first GMK set, and I'm in love with everything about it. The colors of the alphas and the mods are so sleek, and the modifier text colors were a nice touch for the programmer vibes, especially since I'm a computer science student. I even got a matching Deskmat I got here locally. It's the Astroneko Deskmat by Ohnopressure, sold by Zion Studios PH. Alright, that's enough of the talking. Let's head on to the sound test. my final thoughts. Honestly, 3 words. I love it. The day and night difference from stock is pretty self-explanatory. Even if I use a different set of keycaps than the stock one I had, pretty sure the difference would be really small because the profiles aren't really that different from each other. With that said, I recommend doing all these mods. Thank you guys for suggesting all these mods. I have done a couple of research on how to do them properly, and I hope I did them properly because it sounds really good. With that said, don't forget to subscribe to get notified of all my future uploads. This will definitely not be my one and only keyboard video. There's gonna be more, so stay tuned. So thanks for watching.